for the test drive?
Yeah, but I'm not sure about this car. I mean, it looks nice, but I'm more into bigger SUVs.
Oh, don't worry. The Sportage has plenty of space and it has a little surprise.
You better believe there's enough room. That's right, it's Big Joe. And the Sportage has all the room for my needs. I'm sorry, your needs.
Spacious interior, check. Sleek lines, check. Insanely cool ride, check. Unbelievable price, without a doubt. Am I driving away in? Oh yeah.
Joe, do you want to drive or do you want me to drive?
No, you stay here. Let him drive.
Okay. That's just the kind of thing that happens when you're driving a Sportage. There's room for everything and everyone.
So do yourself a favor, come down to Northstar Kia, check out the 2025 Kia Sportage where there's room for the unexpected. And don't forget to tell them, Big Joe sent you. Yeah?
And Laura.